Hi, it's Karen at RT Systems. Let's look at the THD75 and a gotcha that I ran into when I was working with the radio. From what I remember when we first got this radio, there were no DR memories, there were no Your Callsigns in the radio. What that boils down to is when you do your initial get data from radio, you're going to end up with a file that has no Your Callsigns in it. Or it happens. Sometimes it happens through resets. It happens. But if it happens, the radio is not unhappy, but you lose a major part of the functionality that you need for DStar operations. And that is the Your Callsign list to be able to link to a different reflector and use the radio to your best advantage. Whether you're going through a hotspot or through a repeater, you need this Your Callsign list. So if you send your file to the radio and you're looking at the individual list when you're choosing a destination, and it says no data, this is the problem. How am I going to fix it? I'm going to come over here to an untitled file. That's File New. I'm going to go to DStar, DStar Settings, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to drag down, and I'm going to Control C or right click and copy. Tell it OK here. I'm going to go back to my file, go to DStar and Digital DStar Settings, and I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to paste. Now I have the list of all the available reflectors. And remember, we've talked before in other DStar videos that you may want to edit this list. I don't know exactly where all these reflectors are, but I noticed last night looking on the net list that one of them was in Hungarian. Well, that doesn't do me a whole lot of good. Sorry, I don't speak Hungarian. And when I use this list, I have to turn all the way through all of them to get to what I want. And while I want a good selection, I may find that I don't need all of them. So I can go right here and I can delete. And those went away, 24C, and now I'm at 25C and 26A. And I'm going to delete. All of a sudden, it's like, ooh, I didn't want that one to go away. Well, I can insert, and this is the command. And this is the message. This is John on Tuesday. That's a string. You can put it in anything you want, and you'll know what it's for. So just a few things you can do with this list. Save it up, send it to the radio. Be sure my call sign is completed with your FCC call sign that is registered on DStar, and you're up and ready to go. Have fun with DStar, and remember, if you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. 73